Yo!
Hey!
Hey!
What's up?
Hey, what's up guys? This is Josh.
And I'm Ken.
Cut mo yun!
Yeah, we're so serious here.
Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out a nigga?
Man, I go to work. True winner. Jeans skinny like Squidward. Looking for your girl. Just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took her down. Timber. Wrist cold, mama call it winner. Swisher full of nuggets, daddy call it dinner. Baby got ass, shelter call it thinners. UPS Jackson's Gilly, we deliver. Cat daddy when I dug it, cat daddy when I remember.
Back with skinnies, they from rejects, I remember.
Competition see the crease, they surrender. Smoking wide clef kush, now I'm going to the river. Move your arms like you wheelchair stuck. Drop it low, grab your shoulder like a fucker. 10 power 106 to bang this shit. Big up to my bro Sam, he the king of this shit. Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Bitch, I go to work.
You're too short, I'm too long. I'm in the club all black on Acorn. Black headlights, I'm too on. Do my cat daddy going nuts. Acorn. I'm a motherfucking fool for this. When it comes to the yard, I'm the coolest kid.
Yun ba? Wait lang.
Pag mo na.
Hey! Iyan o. Hey!
I'm Bob Marlin. Hey, I'm Nando.
Focus mo isa-isa tapos sa salita. Hey, this is Keanu representing blah blah blah. J-newone, DNZ.
Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Call me SpongeBob, stacking Krabby Patties. Bitch, I go to work, do my cat daddy. Bitch, I go to work.
Yo, Facebook.com/J-newone Kru. Kru. J-newone Kru. Yay!